The Nothing Phone 3A is here. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. In today's video, we have the new Nothing Phone. Yes, it's the Phone 3A. Let's unbox. So of course, aside from this really cool, unique look that we get on Nothing phones and that glyph interface, yeah, that's still very cool. Aside from that, we get the Essential Space and the new Essential Space key. So the Essential Space is basically a little repository for things you want to remember, and you have that key that allows you to get to it really, really quickly. For example, you wake up and you're craving donuts, press the button, remind me to buy donuts next week when I pass by my favorite donut store. Automatically, you'll be able to find that voice note in Essential Space. As you can see, it says analyzing, so it uses AI to analyze what you just said. Let's wait for it. There we go. And this not only works for audio. So for example, you find a nice poster you like that you'd like to take note of and remember. You press camera, tap the Essential button, save this for my mood board. And once I go back to Essential Space, it'll be there with, wait for it, that note. Now, Essential Space, as you see it, is pretty bare bones right now, but pretty soon there'll be other features like camera capture, which allows AI to be aware of what's inside your photo. It'll have smart collections. So for example, here there are collections, but pretty soon it'll be able to intelligently group together things based on context using AI. And what it is basically is a way to organize all those random thoughts that you have throughout the day. Now, if you ask me, Essential Space is a very interesting use of AI. Anyway, let's take a closer look at this phone. So as you can see on the back here, you get that same transparent design. The glyph interface is these three areas. Let me show you. Cool, right? Anyway, aside from that, you still get flip to glyph, which basically is you flipping the phone and it reverting its notifications to the glyphs. You have other glyph features like the glyph timer. The composer, you can actually compose your own ringtone sound pack. And there are, of course, third-party integrations with the glyphs. So you can turn on the glyph progress bar and it'll work with your Uber, your calendar. It should be really cool because if you're waiting for your Uber, you can just flip the phone and it'll show you like a bar that shows the progress of your Uber ride, for example. Fun stuff including music visualization. So you could be at a party, turn this on, and it will sync to the music. That's a fun feature. And of course, you can schedule it so that it doesn't bother you when you're in bed. Now, the three cameras are here in a row and you have clean white sides except for the buttons. Of course, you have an unlock button here. You have the Essential Space key here. At the bottom, speaker grills, USB-C port, SIM tray, and then you have a volume rocker on the other side. Now, it's a flat screen device, and as you can see, this is the Nothing OS. It looks really, really nice and clean with the widgets, of course. Once you install other widgets that don't have that look, it'll look like this. Anyway, it looks great. It looks amazing. I love the vibe of this, except it's only with the Nothing phone that I'm realizing that I actually tell which apps are based on color. So this actually does confuse me sometimes. I'd say definitely an eye catcher. Of course, in a sea of phones that are looking more and more alike each day, I love that this still looks very unique. Okay, on to the camera tour. So you have a wide 1x, 2x, 4x up until 30x, back to wide or 15 millimeters. You have flash settings, flash on, flash torch. Wait, let's zoom in so you can see. So that is the torch. And then you have a glyph fill light, and then you can turn off the flash. You have HDR. Up here, what do you have? More settings. And then on the other side, you have video, wide, 1x, 2x, up until 8x, back to wide. And then this can shoot in 4K 30, 1080p 60, and 1080p 30. Under more, we get a slow-mo mode, a time-lapse mode, a pano mode, an expert mode, and of course, you can change the settings here. What is this? Your ultra-wide, you can do 1x or 2x up until 10x, back to 1x. On the other side, we get a portrait mode. What's this? Retouching. Of course, you get the option for the glyph fill light as well. And then on portrait, you can do wide, 1x, 2x, no, 3x, 4x, there you go. And you can only do up until 4x. What's this? Ooh, you have different options for the bokeh as well. And of course, you can adjust said bokeh here. Now we also have a night mode that can do wide, 1x, 2x, 4x up until 30x, back to wide. On selfie night mode, ooh, that's available, no zooming in or out. We also get a portrait mode. As you can see, you can also pick the different bokeh styles on selfie portrait. You can also turn on the retouching, strong or off. And then here, it allows you to change how much bokeh you have. Of course, you also have a flash option, and that screen should light up your face. On photo, you get, well, 22 or 27 millimeters, so a slightly wider screen, or, well, 1x. And then you have retouching, you have the same flash options and HDR. On video, you can do 1080p 30 or 60 FPS, no 4K on front-facing video. And then we're back to more. Now, time for some sample shots. That's it for today. That was the Nothing Phone 3A. Of course, it's just my first look, so let me know what you guys would like to see me try with this phone. If you want to see a camera vlog test or a social media test, comment down below. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.